Today you're going to be playing a sight word spelling practice game. I'm going to read your sight words to you and use each one in a sentence. After I use one word and use it in a sentence, the video will pause and you will write the word down. Once you think you have spelled the word correctly, you will go ahead and unpause or click next to see if you spelled the word correctly. You will continue this until we've gotten through all of your sight words. Here we go. Your first word is am. I am at school. Am. You spell am, A-M. Your next word is I. I like broccoli. I. You spell I using the capital letter I. Your next word is the. The car was going really fast. The. You spell the, T-H-E. Your next word is little. My little brother won't stop crying. Little. You spell little, L-I-T-T-L-E. Your next word is I had a piece of pizza for dinner. You spell using a lowercase a. Your next word is to. I went to the store. To. You spell to, T-O. Your next word is have. Have you seen my new toy? Have. You spell have, H-A-V-E. Your next word is. That is my new bike. Is. You spell is, I-S. Your next word is like. I like chocolate. Like. You spell like, L-I-K-E. Your next word is my. My name is Jennifer. My. You spell my, M-Y. Your next word is we. We went to the park. We. You spell we, W-E. Your next word is for. I got this pencil for you. For. You spell for, F-O-R. Your next word is he. He is my best friend. He. You spell he, H-E. Your next word is me. Follow me to the classroom. Me. You spell me, M-E. Your next word is with. I always have a coat with me. With. You spell with, W-I-T-H. Your next word is she. She painted me a picture. She. You spell she, S-H-E. Your next word is see. I can see you under there. See. You spell see, S-E-E. Your next word is look. Look at the moon. Look. You spell look, L-O-O-K. Your next word is they. They want to come over. They. You spell they, T-H-E-Y. Your next word is you. You are awesome. You. You spell you, Y-O-U. Your next word is are. Are you coming over? Are. You spell R, A-R-E. Your next word is that. I don't like that. That. You spell that, T-H-A-T. Now the next two words are a little bit difficult. You haven't done a whole lot with them in class, but I want to go ahead and give you two challenge words. Just try your very best, and it's okay if you get them wrong. Do. Do you want to play? Do. You spell do, D-O. Your next challenge word is of. Cookies are made of flour and sugar. Of. You spell of, O-F. Great job! You've gone through all of your sight words. If you would like to play again and have enough time, go ahead and restart the video.